And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It is your girl Deani Lola, and as you see by today's title, I am going to be installing this wig by Amanda's Hair. This is the bag that it came in. So this is my first time purchasing from this hair company, and I am actually getting ready to go to the Nicki Minaj concert in New York. So this video, I'm getting ready for that concert. So I brought this wig specifically for the concert. It has pink in it. I don't know what these things are. I don't know what that is, but I'm just showing you guys what I got inside the bag. It came with this card, and I didn't know what was in the card until I opened it, but this is so cute. Amanda Hair. The name should have been Amanda's Hair with an S at the end, because Amanda Hair, it's just not clicking. It's just, yeah, y'all need to put an S at the end. Amanda's Hair, not Amanda Hair. But yeah, inside it came with this wig cap. I thought that was a cute little idea to put the wig cap in the car. And it came with a wig band, and I just brought a wig band from the beauty supply store, which is crazy, but I loved it. This is the wig. The wig is 20 inches. It came in this bag. 20 inches, but with the curls, it didn't really look like 20 inches because it was, wavy or whatever. But the wig is so cute. I love the color, y'all. Just look at the color and the bounce. It got volume. The color is eating. Is it giving Nicki Minaj? Is it giving Barb? Let me know in the comments. Do you guys like this color? I love the color. Love, 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 love the color. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling. So you guys, with this wig install, we are doing a glueless wig install because I am allergic to hair glue. The last time I used hair glue, it broke out my skin really bad, so I'll never again use wig glue. I don't know, I'm just scared. So I always do glueless wig installs with the spray, a little spray and glue it, tie it down, and yeah, that's how we gonna, do this wig install. So I'm just showing you guys the hair up close. It's supposed to be transparent, and I got 180% density because I was going for a more natural look with the wig. And yeah, the wig comes with a wig band that also helps with glueless wig installs. Very good. If you ladies are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have all information linked in my description box below. Thank you ladies for watching. Enjoy the video. Bye.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Kim be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in the scene now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Where lead, now I'm up ready to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him break. You ain't over it, me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies rad. Pretty spangly when I get back. I'm in LA, Buckdale Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Buckdale Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Buckdale Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Buckdale Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Buckdale Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't he packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna romp. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut.
I don't really want no friends, no. I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends, no. Like Takashi, call him Poppy. Work the ASAP, keep me rocky. I'm from New York, so I'm cocky. Say he fucking with my posse. Caught me Chloe like Kardashian. Keep this pussy in Versace. Said I'm pretty like Tinashe. Did it all up in his face? Did I catch a taste? Pussy, they just got a body, but I never leave a trace. Face is pretty as for days. I get chips, I ask for lace. I just sit back and when he done, I be like, yo, how to taste? Yo, how to taste? I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends, no. I don't really want no friends, no. Draco got that kickback. When they kick back, you can't get your shit back. In fact, it's that bitch that I hate small talk. I don't fuck with chit chat. AC just stopped working, so they hit me. Told me bring my wrist back. I'm through rockin' fashions that got all these bitches like, yo, what's that? I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends, no.
My body is good. $2 million the party in Saudi Arabian clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. Deep bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimbler though. I'm the one who run the city where they armed and vicious. Accusations on them blogs and they all fictitious. I done bent the realest blocks, push the hardest sixes. Keep a couple killers that don't care how far them licks is. Look, just act like they want action. Heard they want action, bitch, we ain't ducking no action. I'm about to kill them that traction, send a distraction. Then I'ma line them like fraction. Break, I let them live, look at all them eating. But these bitches gon' be mad once I call this meeting. Make a stick get hard soon as I brush up, but we tryna be subtle. Whole city go up when a bitch touch down like the niggas in the hot dog. I put these bitches on game, they should be kissing my feet. I tried to give them some press, they tried to say it was beef. It's Nicki M, such a little gem. Bitches wanna be around me, but I do not fuck with them. All these diamonds on me, fucked it. I hope nobody gets stuck. If I pull out the Ferrari, then my shooters in the truck. I can still go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party the beauty parlor in my guest house. You mean the pink Lamborghini that's at the next house? Fuck them so good, I got them walking with this stressed out. I wish these bitches wanted more talent and less clout. Make it stick get hard soon as I brush up, but we tryna be sucked out. Whole city go up when a bitch touch down like the niggas in the hot dog. I put these bitches on game, they should be kissing my feet. I tried to give them some press, they tried to say it was beef. Cause they go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party inside the Arabian clubs. Popping them things to go up, it's smoking Los Angeles bud. These bitches biting like Joe, shout out to Kimberly though.
On the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that?
You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV bag turned to a legit, how you did that?
I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that?
You got face stones and no real watch, how you did that?
You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that?
How you yelling slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in the two to make big pillows in the back. Too many rounds in the Phillies, acting someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still owe me, how you gon' do that?
Snatch a Ruger bag, give a nigga yak attack. I get my shooter whack, meat and cheese and that's the rat. Ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and girl, I'm fuck the same hoe, how you do that bitch? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that?
You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV bag turned to a legit, how you did that?
I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that?
You got face stones and no real watch, how you did that?
You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that?
They hit your man, you ain't get no straightening, how you live with that? She fucked the hood, how you lay and have a kid with that? My jello go to a special who blow, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than you know, and she like, I
How you get that shit, you got a romancing on your hoe. Let me back sit rich, I'm too rich to down the road. Walk my shit like plumber, me and gun and diamond flex. I'm gon' ball out so much, just hold grinding for a month. Lil' hop out dump, shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that?
You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV bag turned to a legit, how you did that?
I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that?
You got face stones and no real watch, how you did that?
You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that?
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling, yet yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Gabby, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? What they gon' say now? I'm watching this bitch, I'm rubbing a stain out. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of